Assalamualaikum. Hello. Good morning all. You all are fine at home, isn't it? Okay. Today I had brought a thing for you. You just want to look and see. I know some of you are having it at your home. Please look at it. What is this? Yes, what is this? What is this? Teddy bear. What is it? Teddy bear. I know some of you might have this teddy bear in your home. Maybe of different colors. Different colors. Look, I had brought two teddy bear here. Look, two teddy bears are here. One is mama bear and the other one is baby bear. Okay, one is mama bear and the other one is baby teddy bear. What happened, you know, one day this teddy bear, baby teddy bear was not ready to go to school. Okay, this baby teddy bear was not ready to school. Then this mama teddy bear was singing a song to make the baby teddy bear to go to school. Okay, so we are going to sing the song along with Mama Teddy Bear. Are you ready? Okay, listen to me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Okay, who was asking the baby teddy bear? Mama teddy bear was asking baby teddy bear to get ready for the school. So now, shall we sing along with Mama teddy bear? Ready? Okay. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Okay, you just listen to this song. If you can, you learn this song. There is no problem. Okay. Now, just before going to today's topic, I just want to recall all the things which you had learned in the last class. Are you ready? I will show you the pictures. You have to identify the pictures. Ready? Okay. Look. All the pictures are here. All the pictures which you had learned in the last class are here. Shall I ask you? Yes. Who is this? Lynn. Very good. What is this? Yes, lollipop. Very good. And what is this picture? Great, lizard. Very good. And tell me, what is this? Yeah, ladder. What is it? Ladder. Look at this picture and tell me, what is this? Yes, lamp. What is it? Lamp. What is it? Lamp. Look at the next picture. What is it? Leaf. Very good. What is the next picture? Leaf. Very good. Look at the next one. Very good. Leg. What is it? Leg. Okay. And tell me what is the next picture? Great. Lace. Okay, the last picture, tell me what is it? Log. Okay, very good. I know you all learned the names of these pictures. And can you say me, this all pictures starts with the same sound. Which is that sound? Great. L. L is the name and what is the sound? L. L is the name of the letter and L is the sound of that letter. And you had learned 4 more words. 4 more pictures. Can you say me? I will just show those pictures. Yes. Which are those? Look at this. The king of the forest. Very good. Lion. What is it? Lion. And the next picture which you used to take lunch. Yes, lunch box. And the third picture, can you tell me which is the third picture? Yes, lip. What is it? Lips. Then next one, which is the last picture? Yes, lid. Mashallah, I am very happy. I understood that you all learned this picture name, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Then we had learned a rhyme also. I was bringing a thing in my hand and we were singing that song. Did you learn that song? Will you please sing along with me? Will you please say the rhyme along with me? Ready? Okay. I took a hop to the shop to buy my sweet lollipop. See the big stick and the red top. I will put it in my mouth and eat it. Plop, plop, plop. Very good. Okay. So, let us move on to today's topic. Ready? Okay. Let us start with this itself. Okay. Tell me what is this? We are having a mama and we are also having a baby. What are these? Can you say the name of this? Yeah, teddy bear. What is it? Teddy bear. What is it? Teddy bear. Okay. What is it? Teddy bear. Okay. Now, look at the next thing. You just show me. I will show you, not you are showing. I know when you are seeing this picture, if there is this thing in your home, you have to show to me. Ready? Okay. Show me. Yes. What is it? Torch. What is it? Torch. What is it? Torch. When you look, when there is no current, what our mother or grandparents or father will do? They will take the torch and light the torch, isn't it? Yes. So, we will be able to see things if there is no current. Okay. So, what is this? Torch. What is it? Torch. Okay. Now I am going to show you an animal. Look at this animal. I know you all have seen this animal. Please tell me what is it? Puli. Right. We can call it tiger. We can call it tiger. What is it? Tiger. You know, tiger is our national animal. You know, tiger is our national animal. Okay. So, what is this? Tell me once again. What is this? Yes. Tiger. What is it? tiger. Very good. Then look at the next picture. So many things are there in this basket. Please tell me, what are these? You used to play with this. Many things are there in this basket. Yes, commonly we will call this toys. What is it? Toys. We all love to play. Especially the small kids love to buy toys from the shop and like to play with it. The boys may be having like Avengers, Spider-Man, then Batman, like those toys. Isn't it? Am I correct? And girls will be having toys like dolls, Barbie dolls, kitchen set. All this comes under toys. So tell me, what we will call this? Yes, toys. What is it? Toys. Now I am going to show you an action. You have to tell me what is it, and after that I will show you the picture. Ready? What is it? Yes, you might have traveled in that. Now I will show you the picture. Tell me, what is it? Yes, train. There is one rhyme with train. Just let me sing few lines for you. Okay. Puffy train, noisy little puffy train. Puffy train, noisy little puffy train. If you are going to the town, puffy train, please take me. Puff, 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 puff. Okay, I know. Look, this train is the longest vehicle. This train is the longest vehicle. So, tell me, what is this picture? Correct. Train. What is it? Train. Now I am going to show you another thing which you can see everywhere outside your house. Which leaf you had learned last class? No, leaf you had learned last class. And where we can see this leaf? Tree. What is it? Tree. What is it? Tree. Here is the picture for tree. Look at this picture. This is called tree. What is it? Tree. Have you seen trees? You just go outside your house and just look how many trees are there in nearby your house. Okay, ready? Okay. Look. Now let us move on to the next picture. Look at this picture. What is this? Everybody have this in your home. What is this? You know. Yes, table. What is it? Table. Table. We used to keep something on the table, and when we are eating food, we will be sitting in a chair and there will be dining table. So what is it? Table. What is it? Table. Okay, listen, you have learned many words. You have identified many pictures. There are some more pictures I will just show. I am very sure that the next picture you all can identify. You will be shouting when you are seeing this picture. Let me look. Ready? Tan, tan, tan. What is it? Great, very good. What is it? TV. Right. Okay, TV. Everybody are having TV in your home, no? Majority may be having TV in your home. The other name for TV is television. What is it? Television. What is it? Television. What is it? Once again you say me. Television. Okay. So, look at the next picture. What is this? Which will move on road. Drum, 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 drum. What is it? Which you can, whenever we are going near the roadside, we can see this vehicle moving very fast with stones, sand, like those things. What is it? Truck. What is it? Truck. What is it? Truck. So please identify this picture. What is this? Truck. Tell me once again. Truck. Okay. Now I am going to show you another picture. Look at this picture. This picture, you can see this thing in your home, in the office room. Office room, you can see this picture where we used to keep the newspapers, everything. What is it? You may be calling it mesha or something, but we can call it teapoy. What is it? Teapoy. What is it? Teapoy. Tell me what is it? Teapoy. We can see it in the office room, and we used to keep newspapers, magazines, such things on it. Isn't it? Okay, now I will show you one thing which you all love to see. What is this? Ball. Very good. You know, this ball we are using to play one special game. Which is that game? This ball, there are different types of ball, but this ball we are using for playing a special game. You know that? Don't know? Then I will tell you. This is tennis ball. What is this? Tennis ball. Tell me what is this? Tennis ball. Once again you tell me. Tennis ball. Okay. Now you listen to me. The last picture which I am going to show you. Many are not using it, but many are using it also. I will just show you the picture. You just tell me what is it. Please look at this. Can you identify? Can you say? I know some of you know the name of it. Can you say? Yes. Teapot. What is this? Teapot. Okay. Teapot. Makkals, you just want to identify these pictures only. Okay, just identify the pictures. I have shown you many things. So you just want to identify these pictures. Okay, once again I will just show all the pictures. You just tell me what is it. Ready? Okay, so what is this? Tell me what is this? Teddy bear. Good. Next one. Torch. Very good. Here is the next picture. What is this? Tiger. What is it? Tiger. Here is the next picture for you. What is it? Toys, which you all love very much. Toy. Then next picture is here. What is it? Train. Very good. Then the next picture is here. Tell me what is this? Tree. Right. Then the next picture. Table. Great. Then the next one. Television. What is it? Television. What is it? Television. Then the next picture. Teapoy. Which is the next picture? Teapoy. Then the next picture. Tennis ball. Which is the next picture? tennis ball. Then the next one, the last picture, teapot. My dear cuties, you just want to identify this picture and you just listen to the first sound of each picture. The first sound of each picture. All these pictures start with the same sound. All these pictures start with the same sound. Which is that sound? Correct. T. Which is that sound? T. This much is enough for you this time. Next week, I will give you more details about this. Right? Okay. So, all these pictures starts with the same sound. What is it? T. Very good. I will just say you one more thing. T is the sound and the name of the letter is T. I am not going to show you T now. I am not going to show you the letter now. Next week I will show you the letter. Ready? Okay, shall we wind up with the song again? Ready? This Mama Bear is asking me. I want to sing the song once again. This Mama Bear is asking me. I want to sing the song once again. So shall we wind up the class with the song? Ready? Okay, you all just sing with this Mama Bear. Okay? Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Okay? Do you like this rhyme? Okay, my dear cuties, we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.